Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of current electricity. The question is 1 billion electrons pass from point P towards another point Q in 10 to the power minus 3 seconds. What is the current in ampere and what is its direction? So given to us is number of electrons is 1 billion. 1 billion means 10 to the power 9 electrons. And time taken by them is 10 to the power minus 3 second. Electrons move from point P to point Q. Now we see solution for this question. We know that current is equals to charge upon time and total charge is equals to number of electrons into charge of electron upon time. So now we put the value in this. So current will be equals to N is 10 to the power 9, charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb and time is 10 to the power minus 3 second. On solving this, we get current is equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 7 ampere. And since the electron is moving from point P to Q, the direction of current will be from point Q to P. So we write the answer. Current in this is equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 7 ampere and it flows from point Q to point P because current is always in the direction opposite to the direction of flow of electrons. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.